Alrighty guys, good morning. It's Anthony here at Good House Floor Care. Welcome to Monday morning. We're here to do a screen and recoat down in Huntersville, North Carolina. Let me take you guys inside. I'll show you what we're up against. We're going to be doing this whole downstairs, these stairs, and that upper hallway. These floors are in relatively great shape. Our client found us on Google down here in Huntersville, North Carolina. Gave me a call. I came out, gave him an estimate. And here I am today to take care of these hardwood floors. We're just going to get some new protection down. And these floors are going to look fantastic. You can see where I'm already screening. Stick around, I'll come back and show you some progress, and I'll show you the final results like always. Alright, first coat is down and it's drying. We will get the second coat down in about an hour and a half. Let's see how it's drying. Oh yeah. Alright guys, this is the result of the first coat. OMG. We're about to lay the second coat. Man, this looks so good. Alrighty, stick around. Alright, let's check out the second coat. OMG. Beautiful. OMG. This is the results of the final coat. That's what a screen and recoat can do to your floors. One-day service. Alrighty, once again as always, thanks for watching.